Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries, and maybe this time of year your gardens are starting to look a little bit tired, and we've had a really dry season this year, so this is right around that time frame that the gardens might need a little spruce up. So come on in here to Sipkens. We have a lot of late summer blooming perennials and shrubs to give your gardens and planters that little spruce up, that pop of color that they may need this time of year. We also have our first hints of fall arriving here at the greenhouse. So we have our homegrown fall mums and they're bursting into bloom. We have fall foliage and interest plants as well. So come on into Sipkens and give your gardens and planters that first refresh that they need to get into the next season. So take a look at some of the perennials, shrubs, and fall color that we have here to offer at Sipkens Nurseries.